channel. I hope you're all doing very well. So as you guys can see by the title, today's video is showing you guys my new beautiful apartment in Ghana. I literally just moved here. It's been like 2 hours, but I'm gonna show you guys around, show you the bathroom, the bedroom, the kitchen I'm standing in right now. It's a nice luxury apartment in Accra. As you guys know, I was living with family before. Because I'm leaving Ghana soon, I wanted to have the experience of living by myself for a bit. I can't wait to show you guys this place. It's absolutely amazing. Let me know if you've got any questions on my social media platforms, or you can email me or comment down below. But yeah, let's get into this video. So step into this fully furnished 1-bedroom apartment with me. If you've watched my latest vlog, you know I've been on an apartment search for roughly 2 weeks. When I first saw images and videos of this apartment, I instantly fell in love. It was slightly above my preferred price point, but I'm so happy I went with it in the end. Luckily, I'm also the first person to ever stay here, which is great. As you can see, it's been beautifully designed. The apartment exudes a homely yet luxurious feel, combining warmth and comfort with high-end finishes. I love the ceiling to floor windows. It lets in so much natural light into the property. The apartment is filled with green plants, which instantly brightens up the space, which brings a fresh, natural feel, and it also makes the room feel warm and inviting. Look at this amazing view that I have. This is a 360 balcony which overlooks Accra. As I mentioned before, this apartment is in a prime area which is Labone. It is very close to cantonments. I was so impressed that someone had built a pool for their house in the shape of a guitar. Just imagine waking up to this view every morning, and in the night the lights were so pretty as well. Now we move into the lovely kitchen. It comes with a washing machine, storage cupboards and a little bin. I've got no problem with cleaning. I actually enjoy it most of the time. Luckily, the apartment comes with cleaners. So the cleaner comes in twice a week, which was very handy. She would wash, change and iron the bed sheets and much more. The apartment also comes with pots and pans, cutlery, a toaster, a blender and a lot more. Here we have an integrated fridge, which adds to the luxury feel of the apartment. It creates a clean, cohesive look and makes the place look more modern. Yes loves, I was also shocked when we came to view this apartment too. Can you imagine it has a lift that directly takes you downstairs from my apartment? You can only access the room with a key card, so it wouldn't stop at any other floor. No one else could stop at my floor either. We were assured that it was safe and it has been so far.
If you need any help looking for long or short-term apartments, please do message me. Click on the videos on the screen to watch other apartment tours in Ghana. And thank you so much for coming to the end of this video. See you in the next one.